In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to email on Framer. If you've ever wanted someone to click a button or a piece of text on your site and instantly open their email app with your address ready to go, this is exactly what we're setting up. It uses a special kind of link called a Mail To link, and it works across most browsers and devices. First, head over to Framer and open the project where you want this email link to live. You can use the web app or the desktop editor. Either is fine. Make sure your canvas is visible and the layer panel is open so you can quickly find and select elements. If you're working from a template, you can still customize links the exact same way. Next, click the element you want to make clickable. This could be a button, a text layer like contact, or even an icon. Confirm you've selected the actual interactive layer and not just its parent frame. You'll see its properties in the right-hand panel when it's correctly selected. A quick tip, if it's part of a group, you might need to click into the group to reach the specific layer you want. Giving layers clear names like email button makes this easier to revisit later. Now, with that element selected, find the link or interactions area in the right sidebar. In the link field, type mail to, followed by your email address with no spaces. For example, mail to your name at example.com. Be sure it's exactly mail to, without a space, and use the correct email format so the link doesn't break. As soon as you enter this, Framer treats it like any other URL, and the element becomes an email link. If you want to pre-fill details, you can extend the same line with simple parameters. For instance, add subject, hello to set a subject, or embody /$20 there to add a message. Just remember to replace spaces with %20 so everything renders correctly. A quick example looks like mail to your name at example.com. Subject hello and body /$20. There, this is optional, but it can save your visitors time and guide their message. That's it. Once you've entered the mail to link, your element is linked. In preview or when published, clicking it will open the visitor's default email app with your address pre-filled and any optional subject or body you added. Keep in mind, this relies on the visitor having an email client set up on their device. If they primarily use webmail, they may need their browser configured to open those links in their chosen service. Save your changes and you're good to go. You've just made contacting you a one-click experience.